Well, yes, the Ryzen 3600X can actually run the brand new Doom: The Dark Ages, which I made a video about a couple of months ago and was a little bit worried when I saw that the minimum suggested spec should be the 3700X, but of course, thanks to some people way wiser than me, reminded me that, hey, it's id Tech. They know how to optimize things on their games.
I ask only to be heard.
Ryzen 3600X in here with a 2070. Should maybe cut it on, get more lights. Can make it Doom appropriate, get it looking a little bit meaner. I do have a theory about why 3700X is listed. I'll get to that in just 1 second on the CPU side, but really the GPU is a big thing with these id Tech games. You gotta have 8 gigs of VRAM, but there is this implementation of ray tracing that runs just fine. It really pulled a good move here with something called texture pool size that you can adjust in the menu settings for Doom: The Dark Ages. 2048 has been running absolutely fine for me. You're getting around 60 frames per second that way. And going back to me talking about the CPU, they will do some updates of ray tracing here in the future, and I'm kind of wondering if maybe the 3700S would kind of be more recommended there, but also knowing how this game scales, I might be going on about a CPU for really no good reason. The thing's gonna work.
Destroy it to disable the cannon.
I linked to that Digital Foundry video, as well as a video I found about some of the weirdest places people have gotten Doom to run, like on tampons. And a look at some of the PC specs over on YeagerShots.com, where I went back and took a look at some of the ways that Doom was running on hardware way back in '93, what some of those PC requirements were.
Here I am trying to diversify with a different camera angle, but I just remembered I think I used the same angle in the last video. But anyways, I don't blame id for trying to change up the Doom formula, even though I think in my rankings Eternal is going to be #1 over the Dark Ages. Not bad. It's Eternal and its more complex gameplay was for me. But I'm only halfway through the Dark Ages, so maybe I should just play the game more. And we'll see how it all comes out in the wash. Yeah. Actually, I think I'm just going to get something to eat right now. Thanks for watching.